Aloe Bella, and today I will be showing you how to make the best fluffy slime,
in my opinion.
So if you guys are interested, let's get started.
So the first thing you want to do is make the borax solution. You will need 1 cup of water and half a teaspoon of borax. Now mix thoroughly until the borax is fully dissolved. Set this aside until we're ready to use it. Next, I'm using half a cup of Elmer's white glue and I'm adding it to the mixing bowl. Now I grabbed a spatula and scraped out the leftovers. So the next ingredient I'm going to use is a shaving foam. This will make your slime nice and fluffy and fun to play with. These are all half a cup of everything. Alright, so the next ingredient is foaming soap. This will make it extra fluffy and give it a little scent. So the next thing I'm using is lotion. This will make it stretchy and it doesn't really matter which brand you're using. Alright, so now we are going to use cornstarch. This will make it keep the slime together. So after you added all those ingredients, you want to start mixing. For this scene, I added a sky blue dye. I thought it was a nice color because it was pretty pastel, and it's unicorn themed, so it looked nice. Alright, so remember the borax solution we made? This is going to be the time that we use it. Make sure to mix it before you add it to your slime, or else you'll just get water and it'll take forever to fully get boraxed. So, I added a little bit at a time. So as you can see, it is all stuck to itself. So now I'm going to grab it with my hands and play with it until it is unsticky and fun to play with. Sorry for the technical difficulties. The slime was going everywhere. So now you should have this nice stretchy and fluffy slime. It's very fluffy and it was really stretchy and it felt really nice. So I went ahead and made a pink and lilac slime off camera. It is the same process as the blue slime, except you just need to add a different food coloring that you want. Okay, so right now I grabbed a little bit of my lilac slime, and I'm adding foam beads to this. I did this because it's just a bonus slime, and this will not be used in the unicorn cup at the end of the video. And plus, I just wanted to see how it felt. So now I'm adding the 3 slimes in a Starbucks cup just to make it look cute. I also made a white one off camera to act as the whipping cream. So this is my unicorn slime, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys on our next video. Bye!